What's up, y'all, and welcome back to 30 Days of Pouring Into Ourselves. How are we feeling? What's going on? I'm so excited to film today's video because I want to change my hair so bad, like you don't understand. Showing up every single day for 30 days, I'm like, why did I do this to myself? I cannot change my hair. But anyways, let's dive into the song of the day.
I love you more than once, 1,000 more lifetimes.
The song of the day is Sweet Blue by Cleo Soul. As you can see, the outfit is just, the song and the outfit just go together perfectly. But today is going to be a wonderful day. Picking your brain. Wow, I should have thought about this earlier. To pick your brain for the day, I want to know, what is one thing you're looking forward with this new season that is coming? We're about to enter this time shift where the days will get shorter. Daylight savings is coming up, so I want to know what you're looking forward to in this holiday season that we're about to enter, and winter as well. So without further ado, we're gonna move forward and we're gonna continue with those third eye chakra affirmations because I feel like I need them today. I don't know about you, but let's dive into these affirmations. We're gonna continue with the third eye chakra affirmations because I feel like I need them today. I don't know about you, but let's do it. 3 deep breaths, and on the third one, make it your deepest of the day. Ready? Inhale. And exhale. Again, inhale. And exhale. Last one, make it the deepest of the day so far. Inhale. And exhale. Awesome. Let's dive into it. I am open and clear. I receive guidance and clarity from my guides and the universe. I am an expression of the divine and an extension of the universe. I am stepping into a new and fresh awareness. I want to say that one again. I am stepping into a new and fresh awareness. I radiate confidence and allow myself to show up for who I am naturally. Today I am giving thanks to all that I have and all that is on its way to me. Today I am allowing myself to be guided, following signs and signals that show up, as I am a present observer of my life. Today I sail in a sea of abundance. I loved this one yesterday. I'm going to say it again. I am a loving soul in a human body. One more time for good measure. I am a loving soul in a human body. I know that's right. I am connected with all beings. And I feel the wisdom of all life embedded within my body, mind, and spirit. I am the captain of my ship. And I only allow good things to penetrate. I am connected to the abundance within the universe. I recognize that my true power lies in the present moment. And understand that that is the only thing that I am responsible for, is showing up here and now. I am in tune with my inner wisdom. Today, I am allowing myself to feel things and continue on my journey. I am a magnet for miracles. You know we were going to say that one again. I am a magnet for miracles. Today I will be blessed. Today I will be blessed. And so I say thank you in advance. I am willing to learn through love. I am willing to allow myself to work through the things that I'm feeling, good or not so good. Notice how I didn't say bad. The world is my classroom, and people are my assignments. I really like this one. We're going to say this one 3 times. I choose to view my obstacles as opportunities to get closer to God. I choose to view my obstacles as opportunities to get closer to God. One more time. I choose to view my obstacles as opportunities to get closer to God. I let go of fear and am ready to realign. I say that one again. I let go of fear and am ready to realign with the energy of courage, of love, of abundance and success. I see it on you already. I'm not gonna lie. I mean, you know, I'm a truth teller. I choose to be the light in all situations. I choose to be the light in all situations. I know that I am being guided toward my highest good. We're going to say this one at least 2 times. No matter the chaos or confusion, I remain calm. No matter the chaos or confusion, I remain calm. That one just feels good. I am ready to lift the veil and see myself showing up as I truly am. One more time. I am ready to lift the veil and see myself showing up as I truly am. Because I am amazing. I have so much in store and carry so much within me. Everyone has my unconditional love. I move with compassion and clarity. I move with compassion and clarity. I know what I want, and I'm willing to wait for it to show up in my current reality. My work in this world is needed, as is my presence. My body is a lovely home for my radiant soul. One more time. My body is a lovely home for my radiant soul. And we're going to say this last one. Today, I will be kind to myself and others. One more time. And make this true. Say it until it's true. Today, I will be kind to myself and others. Because you deserve it. Yes, you deserve it. Thank you guys so much for spending some time with me for the sake of you. Don't forget who we're here for. It's for you. But I will see you tomorrow on our last day before we part ways. I'm getting emotional. But I will see you tomorrow. I hope you have a wonderful day, and feel free to share any good news. I would love to hear any good news or just how you've been feeling in general. But I'm gonna let you go. Kisses.